Good morning. This is a 48-hour detention review hearing concerning Jose Antonio. Mr. Last name pronounced Ascisnado?
Yep.
Okay. Today is
Yes.
the 21st day of November 2018. We are at the Immigration Holding Center in Toronto. Ms. Kudarian is representing the Canada Border Services Agency, and she is joining us by video conference from the office of the Canada Border Services Agency in Niagara Falls. Mr. Ascisnado is also represented by counsel this morning, Mr. Abrams, and my name is Karen Greenwood. I'm a member of the Immigration Division. So as I mentioned already, this is a detention review hearing.
Yes.
The purpose of this hearing is to, for me to decide whether I will be releasing you this morning or if you will remain in detention.
No,
The way we will be proceeding is Ms. Kudarian is going to provide me with an outline of your immigration history, including the reason for your arrest and detention.
Yes.
She will also make a recommendation regarding your continued detention or release. Mr. Abrams will make submissions on your behalf as well. He will tell me about any alternatives to detention that may exist. And once I've heard from both parties, I'll give you my decision, let you know whether I'll be releasing you today or ordering your continued detention.
Understood.
If I do order your release, I can impose any terms and conditions if I find necessary, including things like regular reporting to immigration authorities or having someone... Am I not speaking loud enough, Ms. Kudarian?
I think my volume's down a little bit.
Okay. So that can include having someone post a cash or performance bond on your behalf or regular reporting to immigration authorities. Individuals posting performance bonds, which are also sometimes called guarantees, they're like a promise to pay,
Yes.
have to be either Canadian citizens or permanent residents of Canada. If I do order your detention continued this morning, you will have another detention review within 7 days and then 30 days thereafter if you're not released from detention. Now, the Minister has provided both myself and your counsel with a package of disclosure materials, which, unless there are any objections, I will mark as Exhibit DR1 to this proceeding. So at this time, the information I have about you is very limited and consists of essentially the notice to arrest, a recognizance of bail, and the request to the Immigration Division to hold a detention review hearing which states the Minister is alleging that you are a flight risk and unlikely to appear for a disability hearing. So we'll hear more from Ms. Kudarian with respect to the Minister's allegations. So Ms. Kudarian, you can go ahead whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Mr. Jose Antonio Ascisnado is a citizen of Italy, born in Argentina, with a date of birth of the 16th of January 1984. He is not a Canadian citizen. He is not a permanent resident. He holds no other right of entry to Canada and is therefore a foreign national as defined under the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act. I think in this case it's probably best if I go in chronological order with the oldest history coming first. Quite a number of year span involved in his particular case. In 1990, he made an in-status refugee claim with his parents. At that time, he was aged 6. In November of 1991, that claim to refugee status was refused. In January of 1995, humanitarian compassion application was refused. In August of 1996, he was included 33-1 under the 1977 Immigration Act in a deportation order made against his parent, his mother specifically. In December of 1996, he departed Canada. On the 13th of January of 2001, he was the subject of a 20 report at Lester E. Pearson International Airport and made another claim to refugee status. As he was still under the age of 18, no order was issued and he was referred to what was then called inquiry. On the 22nd of June of 2000, his claim to convention refugee status was refused. On the 17th of May of 2001,